I'm Shelley Cavanna, fabric designer, quilt pattern author, and the owner of Cora's Quilts. Today, I'm excited to share Alpine Valley, my latest fabric collection with Contempo Fabrics by Benartex, shipping in spring of 2023. Inspired by the snowy shores of Lake Tahoe, Alpine Valley is a celebration of the winter season in the High Sierra. With just the right touches of greens and burgundy, this collection happily masquerades as a holiday collection that you can enjoy all the way through spring. Those traditional holiday colors are balanced out by bright shades of aqua, unexpected pops of coral and rose, and a navy blue as deep as the lake itself. The focal print, which also happens to be my personal favorite print, is called Peaks, and it features an eclectic collection of cozy cabins and snug cottages hidden amongst the hills. Those tiny, delicate snowflakes that dot the background of the Peaks print become the main focus of First Snow. The icy blue, pale pink, and soft gray colors gives you a variety of options to use as blender prints, while the Icicles colorway features bolder colors against a white background to add just a splash of visual interest to your quilts. The snowy pines that lived in the valleys of the Peaks print get their chance to shine in sugar pine. Surrounded by softly falling snow, these trees are great for adding a wintry touch to your holiday sewing projects. With all these snowy vistas, I wanted to include winter roses as a soft floral element to remind us that spring is always right around the corner. I've included 2 fun textural or blender prints in this collection to help you build out your own projects. The first is Flurries, featuring whirling, fanciful snowflakes. The teal and navy prints showcase white snowflakes for a pop of brightness, while the forest green, coral, and burgundy colorways are tone-on-tone prints. The final print in the collection is called Poinsettia, or Poinsettia, depending on where you're from. This design includes a beautiful range of unifying blender prints in shades of rose, green, navy, and aqua, and also includes an incredible white motif against the palest of gray colors to serve as the perfect background for your quilty projects. While Alpine Valley has been one of my most favorite collections to illustrate to date, I also had a blast designing wintry quilts to feature the prints. Aspen Glow is, hands down, one of my favorite quilt patterns, and I designed this fabric collection with this project in mind. I can't wait to work on my own version of this quilt with you next fall. We'll be hosting a quilt-along on our website later in 2023, sharing piecing tips and tricks along with video quilting tutorials for assembling your own version. High Camp is a brand new quilt pattern designed to show off the main Peaks print. Inspired by Palisades, Tahoe, the site of the 1960 Winter Olympics and our family's favorite mountain getaway, the design gives you a bird's eye view of the wintry valley as you descend by gondola the 2,000 feet from High Camp back to the village below. And of course, a visit to the Palisades always reminds me of my favorite quilty photo of my other favorite winter quilts, the Northern Lights quilts. So, of course, I had to add a reimagined version of this quilt to the Alpine Valley family as well. While the original version of the quilts were made with solids, this updated version was the perfect opportunity to show off those lovely, soft, tonal poinsettia prints set against that gorgeous pale gray background. I'm really excited to also share my brand new Yuletide sampler project. This generous, full-sized quilt features medium and large scale stars twinkling amongst the pine trees. This 12-month Block of the Month project features 11 different quilt blocks and will also be supported by video tutorials and a quilt-along program on our website. And because I couldn't stop playing with these fabrics, I've also taken 2 of my favorite quilts from my new Barn Star sampler book and given them holiday makeovers. Cordelia is a lap-sized quilt featuring starry blocks set between an Irish chain garland. while Prairie Rose is a larger quilt featuring oversized blocks with softer shades of coral and those beautiful bold burgundy prints. Both quilt patterns can be found in my Barnstar sampler book, and we'll share a handy quilt guide on our website to help you with the placement of the new prints. Finally, next spring, we'll also be sharing Winter Sky, the free 10-inch square pattern to accompany this fabric collection. I know that we've shared so much information in this video today, so if you're hoping to come back and take a closer look at any of the prints or projects, you can find them all, along with the collection's lookbook, both on the Cora's Quilts website and also on the Benartext website. All of the video tutorials that accompany this collection will be available next spring on the Cora's Quilts YouTube channel. And if you're a shop owner looking to put together kits for any of these quilts, we'll also be publishing shop guides to help you plan your own programs. I hope you've loved the prints and quilts featured in my Alpine Valley collection. Please ask for it at your favorite quilt shop or contact your Benartext sales rep to order today.